If you want to build a new assembly line or deploy a fleet of autonomous robots in the physical world, mistakes are going to cost you millions of dollars. For decades, manufacturers simply had to cross their fingers, pour the concrete, and hope their floor plans actually worked when they turned the machines on. Putting in change orders and re-optimizing flow on existing facilities is extremely costly and causes massive production downtime. But in 2026, that guesswork is entirely dead. Welcome to the Industrial Metaverse. Today we are doing a deep dive into the digital twin simulation market, a sector currently valued at over $36 billion. We are going to look at the massive new industrial operating system built by Siemens and NVIDIA, explore how artificial intelligence is trained inside digital factories, and break down exactly how global giants like BMW and PepsiCo are saving millions by refusing to spend a single dime in the real world until they have perfected it in the digital world. To understand this massive shift in manufacturing, we first have to redefine what a digital twin actually is. 5 years ago, a digital twin was essentially just a fancy 3D visualization. It was a static computer-aided design model that looked great in a PowerPoint presentation, but it did not actually do anything. It was a digital map, not a living ecosystem. Today, the business-to-business search volume centers entirely around real-time predictive operations. A modern digital twin is a live, breathing, physics-based replica of your entire factory. It is continuously fed by IoT sensor data. This means if a physical conveyor belt slows down by 2% or a specific robotic motor heats up on the actual factory floor, its digital clone accurately reacts on the screen in real time. We are no longer looking at historical data. We are looking at a real-time perception layer. The technology driving this massive leap forward is a combination of advanced artificial intelligence and hyper-realistic computer graphics. At the Consumer Electronics Show in January of 2026, Siemens and NVIDIA completely changed the landscape. They launched the Digital Twin Composer. This platform merges Siemens industrial engineering software with the NVIDIA Omniverse libraries. By utilizing advanced graphics processing units and physics engines, engineers can build high-fidelity virtual models that perfectly mimic real-world gravity. This is not just a visual map, it is the world's first fully AI-driven industrial operating system designed specifically for the physical world. It gives packaging and bottling teams, logistics planners, and factory architects a fast, intuitive way to turn complex assembly lines into living digital twins. But why do you need perfect physics in a simulation? This brings us to the concept of sim to real optimization. Before you deploy an autonomous robot into your factory, you have to train its AI brain. Instead of training the robot in the real world, where it might crash into a wall or break an expensive tool, you upload its brain into the digital twin. The robot can practice millions of times a minute. This is called synthetic data generation. NVIDIA's computer vision acts as the bridge. It detects, tracks, and classifies products in real time. Once the AI is perfectly trained in the digital world, that digital brain is downloaded directly into the physical metal robot on the factory floor. Let us look at how this is being applied at the absolute highest level of automotive manufacturing. BMW Group is currently industrializing its virtual factory concept across more than 30 global production sites. BMW is preparing to integrate more than 40 new or updated vehicles into its global production. To do this without shutting down current operations, they built a massive digital twin of their entire network using NVIDIA Omniverse. This allows BMW to perform digital automated collision checks. If a new robotic arm is going to hit a steel pillar, the engineers see it months before. By planning in the Industrial Metaverse BMW projects, they will reduce production planning costs by up to 30%. This level of simulation completely changes the financial economics of the food and beverage industry as well. PepsiCo recently deployed the Siemens Digital Twin Composer. At one of their Gatorade plants, they did not just make a floor plan, they used computer vision to recreate every single machine and operator walking path. Using AI agents, they simulated high-speed bottle handling and case packing cycles. They simulated thousands of different supply chain layouts. The financial return on investment was staggering. PepsiCo was able to identify up to 90% of potential operational issues before any physical modifications. Within just 3 months of deploying the optimized layout, the Gatorade facility achieved a massive 20% increase in production throughput. Furthermore, by uncovering hidden capacity within their existing floor plan, they avoided having to build costly new warehouses. This resulted in a 15% reduction in CapEx. Across the broader manufacturing sector, companies using these advanced digital twins are reporting up to 50% faster development cycles. To achieve this, however, companies must overcome the data convergence hurdle. You cannot build a $36 billion industrial metaverse if your data is locked in silos. The digital twin requires bringing together ERP systems, customer relationship management tools, and MES platforms into one single unified ecosystem. But as Siemens and NVIDIA have proven, you do not need a perfect data set to start. Engineers can begin with whatever fidelity they have, like 3D point cloud scans. This is the true power of the industrial metaverse. It is not a video game, it is the ultimate risk mitigation tool. The manufacturers winning the automation race in 2026 are building their factories, crashing their robots, and making their mistakes inside a digital simulation. The era of trial and error on the factory floor is over. Would you trust an AI simulation to completely redesign your business operations? Let me know in the comments. Please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more deep dives into the future of physical AI, digital twins, and the automation economy.